If you are wondering how to buy shares of Stellus Capital Investment Corporation, this clip will walk you through the steps. Stellus Capital is a publicly traded investment company on NASDAQ under the ticker SCM, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy SCM, you will need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an official ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker SCM to locate the correct listing. Confirm you select the Stellus Capital Investment Corporation entry in the results. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for SCM. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the right stock before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order carefully. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once executed, your SCM position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to explore the same workflow.